how to buy Roblox and mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how to buy Roblox and mobile. To do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. If you're purchasing Roblox on your tablet or phone, you have to tap on the Roblox icon. For that, you want to first of all log into your account. So when you are logged in, this is how the interface is going to look like. In the top left, in the top right corner, you could find this icon, Roblox icon. Just press that, and then you could find a list of package available. You could go with any of these, and if you want to go with any of these, just select that. And once you've done it, so you want to click on the P button. After which, you could see this sort of interface where you have to go ahead and add a credit card information. So first thing, provide your card number, your expiry date, and then the month and a year, security code, and click on save card. Once you do that, follow on the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully purchased or buy Roblox and mobile. So you're just gonna take a couple of seconds for that, or maybe a minute. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.